Kitchen with a Touchless Faucet and Smart Appliances 2025, Modern Kitchen Technology and Interior Design Trends. Welcome to a glimpse into the future of kitchen design and technology. In this video, we showcase a cutting-edge kitchen with a touchless faucet and smart appliances, perfectly aligned with the trends of 2025. If you're planning a kitchen renovation or simply looking for inspiration to upgrade your home with intelligent solutions, this video is packed with futuristic design ideas and functional innovations. Incorporating touchless faucets and smart appliances is no longer a luxury. It's becoming the new standard in modern kitchens. From enhancing hygiene to boosting convenience, this is where design meets technology in the most stylish and efficient way. What you'll discover in this video: stunning 2025 kitchen layouts featuring touchless faucet designs, top smart kitchen appliances that are revolutionizing the way we cook, minimalist cabinetry with integrated technology, space-efficient layouts with open shelving and smart storage, seamless tech integration without compromising aesthetic, energy-efficient and eco-friendly smart home devices, inspirational ideas for lighting, materials, and colors in smart kitchens. Key features of this 2025 smart kitchen: touchless faucet with motion sensors and water-saving features, smart ovens and ranges with Wi-Fi connectivity and app controls, refrigerators with touchscreen displays and food inventory systems, voice-controlled appliances compatible with Alexa and Google Home, dishwashers with smart sensors for energy-efficient operation, LED smart lighting with color and brightness control, clean lines, handleless cabinetry, and high-tech finishes. Why choose touchless faucets and smart appliances? Promotes hygiene with no-touch operation, saves time and water through automation, simplifies cooking with app-based controls and AI cooking assistants, reduces energy bills with smart energy monitoring, adds long-term value and modern appeal to your kitchen. Perfect for families, tech lovers, and busy lifestyles. Style and design combinations featured: matte black and stainless steel finishes, quartz countertops with undermount lighting, sleek open shelving and modular cabinetry, built-in charging stations and smart home hubs, touch-screen control panels integrated into the backsplash. This video is ideal for homeowners planning a 2025 kitchen remodel, smart home enthusiasts, interior designers and architects, anyone interested in hygiene-forward, future-ready kitchen design. Share your thoughts below. Would you upgrade your kitchen with a touchless faucet? Which smart appliance would you love to have in your home?